Yeah.
One's bigger than the other.
You got my genes, Abby. Or mom's genes. That's the way it goes. And wow.
Oh, this is the piece. I was wondering how you got them to be like in a cross.
Me too.
Do you think that Versa climber has any? You and Scott would take forever to do this.
No problem.
But now we don't get to go in the rainforest.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, they have a rain.
That's crazy. I'm so used to having the screen.
Mm-hmm.
That looks so weird.
I like how it's going to be outdoor, though. It looks like you're upright, but it looks like you're leaning back almost.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know. I could lean forward more.
No need. That's great. You see how smart they are with insulation. Installation, they don't use muscles. You know.
Oh, I think we did.
No, I mean,
Not a light task.
yeah. It's gonna be super uneven.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to tightrope. Maybe going the high side of the pots. Yeah.
You just watch the pallet on that side.
Wherever you think is easy for you. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. And then just carry them in case you. Yeah.
We'll just rotate.
Oh, wow, you're barely going to fit. And then, yeah. I'll keep the back tight, yeah. Ah, you got that. Yeah. Okay. You needed that back, so. Yeah, you fishtailed on the back, so that's good call, Alex. Here you go. One more. Oh, you're gonna be short, Alex. Ooh, clipping rocks. That's awesome.
So you want to sit right
side
right? So we're gonna come this way.
Well, let's see here.
Also, it's gonna be the front one.
Pull it, Alex. Or wait, hold on, yes.
From here. About there.
So is it just going back and forth?
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah, this is badass, dude.
Good. 19 more seconds. Yeah, this view is nice.
Yeah.
In the air, too. Might get cold.
This, dude, I'll show the audience the view in a second. And when it's highest effort, most difficult
Yeah.
is no hands, and then you got balance.
Put the hands on the top. Dude, imagine me falling and hitting, knocking my teeth out on that handlebar.
This, dude. Man.
And when that shrub grows tall and covers the whole vertical dimension right there in the corner, it's going to look even better.